Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Today I'm excited to share with you my thoughts on Conscious Chemist, the Defender Skin Renewing Retinol's Night Serum. As someone who's passionate about skincare, I was eager to try out this product and see if it live up to the hype. I was impressed by the packaging. It's sleek, eco-friendly and include a glass dropper for a precise application. The Defender features a powerful blend of retinol, vitamin C and hyaluronic acid. Retinol is a derivative of vitamin A that help to stimulate collagen production, reduce fine lines and wrinkles, and also improve skin texture. I have been using this serum for a month now and I'm thrilled with the result. My skin looks smoother, brighter, and more even tone. Fine lines around my mouth and eyes have reduced, and my pores appear smaller. I have also noticed an improvement in my skin firmness and elasticity. This serum is formulated with gentle plant based ingredient suitable for sensitive skin as well. Always do a patch test before you try this. It's cruelty free and vegan friendly, affordable and completely value for money guys. To get the most out of this serum, make sure to use only in the night as retinol can make skin more sensitive to sunlight. Follow up with the broad spectrum sunscreen in the morning. Start with the lower concentration and gradually increase as your skin become more tolerant. Overall, I am truly impressed with this. It's effective, gentle, and aligns with my values. If you're looking for a retinol product to add in your skincare routine, I highly recommend giving this a try.